I'm here at CellularPort letting you know that I just got my phone repaired. I'm so happy with my service. They offer so many other things as cell phones, repairs, accessories. So come check them out.
CellularPort was very fast, very affordable, well stocked, and also accessible for iPhone needs.
I want to give a big shout out and thanks to CellularPort. Came over here in the middle of the coronavirus outbreak, and they were the only store open on Harwin, able to give me the service. It was fast, reasonable price, and anybody y'all need your phone fixed or tablets or whatever, I recommend y'all come on through. Thank you.
CellularPort, man, they are the best. Look at my new screen they put on. It looks brand new. Look at it. It was so jacked up. Don't forget to come to CellularPort on Harwin. They are the best.
This Miss Kevin Care with FOE Entertainers. I'm over here at CellularPort, man. Y'all need to come over here and mess with them. They got cell phones. They got cases on sale. They even got the $15 off if you come in here and do a couple of things with them, man. Y'all come mess with these people. I've been messing with them almost a year. On point, totally on point. Y'all come mess with us over here at CellularPort.